Open the Adobe Photoshop. Press the Adobe Photoshop icon. Double-click and select your file. Trick number 01, remove background in Adobe Photoshop. Select Quick Selection tool. Then select Subject button press. Images link in the description. Complete the selection. Then right-click and select Inverse. Select Background Eraser tool. Complete the background. Erase, then menu bar, Option, Select button and deselect. And this is in front of you with a nicely removed background. Trick number 2, remove background in Adobe Photoshop. Select Quick Selection tool. Complete the selection. Then mouse button press. The background remove is well done. Trick number 3, remove background in Adobe Photoshop. Select Lasso tool. There is a button at the top for Select and Mask. Select it. Tick the option to decontaminate colours. This way, you can also check how well the background has been removed. Trick number 4, remove background in Adobe Photoshop. There is an option to remove the background in the Properties panel. See how good the background is with one click. If you like the video, please like, comment and support. Thanks Thanks for watching. Please video the like, comment and subscribe.